So we're going to have a little go at using the camera now, okay? Because if you're animating, obviously you have a camera which is at fixed points that you can move, and you see the animation through the camera, okay? So we've got a 3D environment, but through the camera we're only going to be looking at it from one perspective, okay? So to get to the camera, you either press on the camera icon just there, or press 0 on your keypad. Okay, either of those is fine. And what we need to do is position the camera. Okay, so the way we can do this is we can go into what we call fly mode. So to do this, if you press Shift, then underneath the escape key, there's a little accent. Okay, so it's like a kind of single accent. So if you hold down Shift and press that button, you enter fly mode, and then you've got some keys. So if you're a veteran gamer from the 8-bit days, you'll recognise these keys: W to go forwards, S to go backwards, D to go right, A to go left. Okay, so those will control the camera. And if you hold down Shift while you're doing them, it will increase the speed of the movement. Okay. Now, on your scene, you'll see that there is a boat. Okay, you have to maybe zoom out and search around for it. You can spot it easier if you're in the uh, rendering mode, so top right hand corner, just up there. Okay, you can spot it easier in that mode. But try and find that boat. Position using the keys behind the boat, so you can see both the boat and the island. The mouse, incidentally, you can kind of rotate the camera using the mouse. Okay, so if you find yourself underwater, just point upwards, press W to go forward, and you'll be able to get out of the water. Okay, but position your camera so you're roughly about there, and then when you're kind of happy with that, just press the left button to fix the camera position. Okay, um, so if we play our animation from before, okay, we can see that animation via our camera. Okay, there we go. So the sun goes down, the lighthouse starts going. Okay, so sun up, sun goes down, and the lighthouse will start rotating around. So if we were filming this as a scene in a movie, then we would position the camera here and we could see that. Okay, so have a little practice positioning the camera. It takes a bit of getting used to, but 0 on the keypad or that will take you into camera mode, and then Shift and the little accent key underneath the escape key will allow you to use W, S, A, and D to move the camera around. So give that a go and just position your scene so you're roughly about here.